Hello guys, welcome to Hill Studios again. And in this video, yesterday I think we completed a character movement, and in this video we're going to move cinemachine and we're going to make sure we rotate the camera up and down. So entire player movement will be completed, and in the next episode we're going to add blend spaces in order to our movement so that animations will be played correctly. So let us look at the current position of our project. So if we hit play, then like yeah, you can move front, back, left and right, and you can rotate it towards but you cannot see up and down, right? We're going to fix that thing right now. So before doing that one, wait, let us go to our SWAT, and here is our camera right here. So make sure you have that one right there, and go to Windows, Package Manager, not Asset Store really, Package Manager, and go to Scene here again. Wait until it loads and download cinemachine from that, and that's it. So go to Asset Store and I'll close it, and also close animator as well. Okay, and it's just loading packages, and I will meet you once I downloaded cinemachine. Okay guys, welcome back again. Go to Package Manager and click on cinemachine in the search bar and just install it, and it will import some things. Okay, now okay, let us go to your SWAT weighing character here, and right click on that one and create a empty object. It is a follow object. So what happens is that we will never be able to rotate cinemachine. We will rotate this follow object. So whenever this object rotates, cinemachine automatically rotates. So we are linking this object rotation to our cinemachine. I hope you guys are getting this one. So I created a follow object, and I made sure like it stays in the shoulder position, because that's where our cinemachine needs to focus, right? So bring it to the shoulder portion, and wait. Okay, I think it is looking perfectly good. Fine. Okay, so okay, I think it's fine. So go to cinemachine right now. You will get a tab once you install this one. So go to cinemachine and create a virtual camera. Now drag and drop this virtual camera into your SWAT. Got it? Now go to your main camera, and you can observe like there is cinemachine brain, so it is working out fine, and there is cinemachine CVM cam. Okay, now transposer, go to transposer and click on it third person follow, and aim, and click on do nothing. I hope it is working fine. So we need to follow, right? So for follow, drag and drop this follow object that you created and drag and drop this one. So if you look at game, it is perfectly aligned to our player. Now look at is like the rotation based on rotation. So we will drag and drop our SWAT into that one. Got it? Now I will try to bring my game here, game object here, and now you can look at shoulder offset. You just need to change this value so that it plays well with your camera spot. Let us wait. So if you are getting something like that, why? Because it's like our follow object and our player body are like overlapping with each other, so it's like some kind of error. So what you can do is take your follow object and make sure you keep it somewhat behind our player. Got it? You can just see some of the changes, right? So keep it behind our player so that our body and our follow object doesn't overlap, so that it doesn't confuse any machine, right? So go to your CV cam, like cinemachine virtual camera, and you can see shoulder offset. Try to offset a Y value, okay, something like this, and go to X value and try to keep him in the center of the screen. Hope you guys are doing this one. And you can also increase the damping. What's the meaning of damping? Like if I move my mouse, if it moves suddenly, like it doesn't look like it is kind of like attached kind of stuff. So if I increase the damping, so it will move very slowly. So if I move right now, it will move after 1 second, but in a very slow feeling kind of stuff. So it works pretty great actually for some things. I will leave with the defaults kind of stuff. That's it guys, that is the only thing we need to do. Now let's check it out how it is. So if I hit play, you can see like we can move our player, and he can move forward, backward, left, right, whatever, right? But we are not going to be able to look up and down. So let's hit escape. Now why we are not able to look up and down is like go to your SWAT, and you can see player control, player motor. We have this cam object. That's what I told you in the previous tutorial. I told you like we're going to uncomment a function, so we're going to uncomment it. So drag and drop your follow object in this particular cam and open your player motor script right now. So now what we're going to do is initially we're going to uncomment that function, and I will explain you what this function does so that you guys can understand it very better. So let us get started again. Okay, go to your player motor and go to that particular function which you uncommented, perform camera rotation, uncomment it. Okay, cool, perform camera rotation. And now what we are doing is initially we're checking if our object is null or not. If it is not null, I think we don't need to check it out again and again. Just saving of extra computation kind of stuff. What we're going to do is initially we're going to check our current camera rotation, and we are going to clamping that rotation, and we're going to apply that rotation to our camera. That is our follow object. Got it? So I cannot, if I don't use the clamp, what happens is that it will rotate 360 degrees, but our head rotate only up to a certain limit, right? We can say 85, 90, something like that. So we are just clamping the values and we are applying the particular values to this one. I hope you guys get this. So save it, go back to Unity and let it compile, and I think everything should be working fine right now. So time is 6 minutes. Fine. So hit on play again. Now if you click on left, right, you are not able to see up and down again. That is a bit weird. So wait, so try to freeze the rotation. Wait, no, not this one. So why it is not happening? Go to SWAT, player camera. We made this follow object, and the cam dot transfer dot local ural angles is equal to current camera rotation. So before coming into any conclusions, I need to check whether if the value is updating or not. This is one kind of debugging it. Just trying to check whether this value really updates or not. If it doesn't update, then it is problem with the script as well. So again, compile it and go to console so that you can see our debug log. Let us hit play. I'll try to turn off the fan. Actually, I'll try to turn off the fan so that you guys can listen me much better. So you guys can see like it is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, there is something wrong actually in player controller, I think so. Okay, so we are not getting any values, so it is not wrong with our set. So let us see where we are getting this current camera rotation. We are getting from rotate camera. So let us go to our player controller again and let us see at rotate camera, PC input. Okay, we are not applying this rotate camera. So wait, so I'll just close this thing right here and I'll open my another project, just copy and paste some couple of lines, and we will get back on this one. So file, open folder, shooter showdown, player controller here again, and go to this thing here. Okay, so that's it. This is the script for player controller. So let us copy and paste it right here. So I will also explain you guys, so you don't need to worry about this one. So what we are doing is initially we are checking our mouse Y input, right? Input will get X, so mouse Y. We are getting that particular input, and okay, I'll just remove this entire line. So now what we will do is initially we will just get our X rotation, the amount that we got here, and we will multiply with sensitivity, like scaling this stuff. Got it? So and we are sending this to the motor.rotate camera rotation. Got it? Now it will update. Now after that we are checking, we are subtracting this one, we are checking whether it's what is clamp values, and then we are just changing the rotation. So let's get started on this one as well. Let us see right now how it waveforms. Now you can see like I'm moving up and down, and you can see how our character is moving, right? I'm moving up and down, and I can move left, right, up, down, whatever. So I'm trying to make it in a PUBG kind of stuff. So if you want, you can also rotate the camera around the player as well. But I didn't touch it. If you want, you can just explore on the internet. It's like an exercise for you guys if you want it. And we can move up and down, all of these kind of stuff. So it is kind of good enough right now, guys. Right? So yes, okay, we are moving our player right now. I hope you guys are in detail now. Okay, it is just 10 minutes, so I'll try to explain some one other concept here. So wait, what should I explain now? Okay, since we got our entire movement kind of stuff, I'll try to go through animations and blend spaces, and we will try to complete this thing. Okay, so I'll try to complete as much as I can within 20 minutes. So go to your animation controller, guys, go to player. Now you can see right now he's like sprinting backward, right? Okay, delete this thing, and you can use multiple animations by using just variable values like what is your speed, what's your direction. That is really amazing. When I was studying in Unity, I was using like a couple of nodes, if else kind of stuff. They are very difficult to do, but blend spaces are really easy. So what you need to do is right click, create state from new blend tree, and go to that blend tree again, and you just go to your parameters tab and create two parameters. First one is float, and next thing is float as well, and rename this thing as forward, for WARD, forward, and sideways, and go to your this thing as well, blend tree, and it's a one-dimensional or whatever. Let us keep it two-dimensional freeform, 2D freeform directional, I think so. Yeah, two-dimensional, because we are using two things. Initially, let us try to add forward, and let us try to add sideways as well here. Have you guys are getting it? So based on these values, we are going to change our animations. So click on this plus symbol here, add motion field, and we will try to add motions afterwards. We will try to add four things here, and ideal. First one is like ideal, running forward, running backward, left, right. So it is like 5. Okay, fine. Add motion field again. So let's go to our animations, and let's go to player animations, and let's see for ideal. Firing. Oh my god. Sprint. SWAT. Man, these are all not very good animations, I should say that. Where is my wait. One column layout. Animations, player, dying, sprint left, sprint right, walking. There is no idle animation here. Okay, so let us try to wait. I will try to get my idle animations as well, and we will continue, guys. Okay, guys, I imported some of the animations from my other project. Actually, I don't know whether they work or not. So let us click on this thing. I think they. Oh my god, I don't know what the fuck is happening here. Let us try to drag and drop our model here. Will it work? Come on, please work. Shit, so I have to download something new again. Wait. I'll just try to download those animations at all. Wait, guys, I'll come back again. Okay, guys, I imported animation from other stuff. So let's get started. So click on your blend tree, and you will get these couple of stuff. We created 5, right? So what happens is that whenever I'm idle, 0 position 0 I need an idle animation. So I'll just click on this one, and I'll drag and drop this one here. So now you can just see the preview here. If I take this red one to somewhere else, it will preview me. So initially he is idle because our red one is also 0. Now if our position 1 is, so it's like forward, he's running forward, so we should run forward kind of stuff. This one should be there. Okay, and next one is sprinting backwards. So I'll drag and drop this one, and I'll keep -1 here. Okay, -1. So if I drag and drop this thing, this red one to here. Wait, what the hell is happening here? Let us see. When I click on sprint left, I'll try to drag and drop here. Sprint left is something like 0 and -1 here. -1 here. Wait, it is 1 here, and it is -1 here. It is 0 here. So something like this. He's moving, he's running, he's moving left, and there is no motion here. Wait, can you, yeah, he's sprinting left. So if you guys can observe here, he's at the ideal position right now at 0 0, running backward, right, left. Okay, he's working pretty good. So let's hit play right now, and you can see he's running left. When he's at center, he's like ideal, and then he's moving forward, backward, all of these kind of stuff. Cool enough. Now what we need to do is we just need to change these like these forward and sideways values through script, so that it is pretty straightforward and easy as well. So first of all, let's go to a SWOT, and we will connect that particular animation controller to this guy. So animator, and go to our animation controllers and drag and drop this guy here. Okay, and I think we have to add some kind of humanoid animation so that we don't get all of these some errors. So let's do that one as well. So just I'm trying to minimize here, guys. Okay, go to each of your animation here. Okay, wait, go to your meshes here and go to your SWOT mesh and go to rig. Animation type is humanoid. Create from this mode and apply. It will create a humanoid rig. Got it. Now after creating the humanoid rig, what we need to do is we need to change our animations. Go to your player and click on all of these animations and go to rig and change these animations to humanoid as well, and copy from another model, and we are choosing that model. Where is it? SWOT avatar. Got it? SWOT avatar. There are so many avatars here. What are these? Okay, SWOT avatar, and I'm going to choose this thing, and I'm clicking on apply, and click on all of these animations again. Go to animation tab here and click on both of those and click on loop. Got it? So looping is something which is very important, guys. So what is happening right now is we are just fooling the players who are playing, thinking like they will think like, oh, he's actually running. No, he's just a guy who is just running, but we are adding a rigid body force to him based on our input. So we are fooling our players, people who are playing. Poor. So loop everything, guys, and go to your SWOT and add this animation controller, and inside this avatar choose our SWOT avatar. Got it? And don't apply root motion. What's the meaning of root motion is like, if your body need to move with respect to animation, you should want it for melee combat kind of stuff, but now I think it is pretty fine. And update mode, don't mess with them as well. So now go to your scripts right now, and we will complete this series, this video. So now what I told you guys is like we need to get those forward and backward, right? So initially what we will do right now is like let's go to PC input. Okay, so whenever we are getting some movement, right, whenever we are getting this X move, Z move, this left, right, forward, backward, right, we will not have animations for rotation, all of this. You can look up those. So what we are doing is initially we are setting our animator. Okay, this is our animator, and we are setting the forward value to _Z move. Okay, the value which you get from vertical with a smooth blend. Means it's like smooth transition between animations. That's what we are doing here. So now we have this is 2 lines that are needed to set our variables. Got it, guys? You don't need to do thousands of lines. Got it? There's 2 lines. There are some variables here. Anim is a variable. Smooth blend and time delta time is also, no, smooth blend is a variable. That's it. So let us just copy our variables from here. Okay, let us see. Okay, we got our animator here. Let us copy and paste it here. Oh wait. Okay, we got our animator here, and next smooth blend. And that's it, guys. I think we completed this particular thing, like we're linking all of this thing. So initially we created an animation controller, we created a blend tree, we created parameters, and we created all of our animations related to those blend trees. And now what we did is like we are setting the values of those particular variables via script. Good enough. So we click on play, and initially this guy is idle because he knows, okay wait, there is some error. Okay, I didn't assign this animation controller, I think so. Okay, where is that? Okay, there is some error in the script. Okay, there is no error. What? Okay, go to your animator and drag and drop this one here. I'm going to keep the smooth blend as one. I don't know how it is work. We will check it out. So now, okay, now our guy is like in what is in idle pose because z underscore move x underscore move is 0. Now I click on press. Now you can see like he's moving. Wait, you people may think like why he's moving so slow and he's getting his space. So go to SWOT again and keep our smooth blend to 0. Don't try to be a nerd, okay? Don't try to experiment anything. Okay, follow the routines. So yeah, try to move right now. Now our guy is playing our guy is running in a very good portion. So try to click on left, he will move to left, and click on right, he will move right. I hope you guys are getting this thing right now, right? So move left, move backward, forward, left, and right. And also you guys may observe like he's moving on towards the left side. If you guys can observe, like he's moving forward but his animation is on the left side, right? So let us change that one. So this is important tip, guys. So try to go to the idle, and for every animation bake into pose, click on bake into pose and use body transformation and click on apply. Run forward, bake into pose, apply. This one as well, bake into pose and click on apply. Sprint left, bake into pose, apply, bake into pose, apply. Okay, let's hit play. I think it will work. If it doesn't work, then animation is like that, guys. Okay, our guy is just moving like that. Okay, now let's try to adjust our camera position so that it will be much better. Go to our CM virtual camera and try to increase the shoulder offset 0. Got it? Try to make sure it reaches the player so that you guys cannot see his speed. So your friends will see his speed when you're playing multiplayer, then they may do whatever you like. You are not able to see, so you are safe, right? Good enough. So now you can see like he's running left, running right, and moving backwards, moving forwards. I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial series. We completed our animations as well, and next what we're going to do is we're going to add some gun animations, shooting, and then we will come to photon animation as well. So I hope you guys are enjoying this series, and if you like this series, try to subscribe, like, and share with all of your gaming buddies so that they can also get benefited as well. And okay, bye guys, and take care.